It's Christmas time at Disney. We're gonna go have some Christmas time fun. Wear my Christmas shirt and enjoy our adventure. Oh yeah, Disney switches over from Halloween to Christmas in a single night. This year they took 2 nights though, because, why not? We have been to Disney hundreds of times. We keep saying to people, make the same mistake over and over again. That one mistake is not planning ahead. And by planning ahead, I don't mean just running to a travel agent and doing it that way, even though sometimes that's a good idea. What I mean by it is figuring out what you're going to do before you even get to the parks. I also don't mean planning literally everything you're going to do while you're there. What I'm talking about is planning for things like this. When it rains, even though you can't predict the weather around here, it's usually going to rain sometime the time you're here. There's a saying in Florida, if you don't like the weather, just wait 10 minutes. Another thing you want to do is order your meals on the My Disney Experience app before you even get to the restaurant. Another good way of pre-planning your trip is to know the height requirements for the rides you want to ride, because some rides have height requirements that not everybody is going to be able to ride if they want to. I think the best tip I can give you to make the most of your day is just to have fun. Remember, you're here to make memories, have fun. I know it's stressful to be at the parks. I know it's stressful to plan your days at the parks, but remember, just have fun, because the memories are way worth the stress. So until next time, remember to love yourselves and each other. Bye-bye.